And today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple Forex strategy. It's nothing that you may have not seen before, but it is something new that you may trade going forward. So let's get started. So first of all, we have obviously a chart, blank chart. I like to keep it as clean as possible. And I see here, visually I could see a support and resistance that has been formed over the course of let's say how many days, less than 2 weeks, right? But we're gonna kind of go on the small time frames and check further. But first of all, let's draw some zones. So I see right here this zone has been respected a few times, right? So 3 touches, and right here we can get our 3 touches at the bottom here. And I'll tell you why the 3 touches are significant when I explain the full step by step here. So first of all, what we want to do is we don't want to trade outside the range. What we want to do is we want to trade within the range. The reason behind that is because the market ranges, and it's also called consolidating. The market consolidates about 75% of the time, or even higher at times, right? So instead of us waiting for a breakout or a large move, we can actually trade the ranges. And why not trade something that happens more often than not, right? And here's one simple way of trading the range. So now what we're going to look for, an ideal range is going to have equal moves, top and bottom. So you guys can see that the tap on the small resistance and support here, we can see that there's the price has tapped there and then literally went the opposite direction, reversed from that area. Now what we want to do is when it enters the range, we want to see a 1 and 1 touch, second touch to the bottom, second touch to the top. At this point, when it hits the second point here, this is what we can trade. The certainty in the second to third touch, right? So we have 1 and 1 here, 2 and 2. The second to third touch, the certainty increases significantly. And over the course of time that I've been trading this, I've seen even a 75 to 80 to 85% chance. And the third touch to the third touch has an even higher probability, right? And so whenever you get to a range with the 1 and 1, 2 and 2, the third touch to the third touch right here is a very high significance, the second to the third touch. So these areas right here, this trade right here, down here, has a significant probability. And we could see, let's take a look at how many pips this would have been. This is 167 pips. And then the full ride up from that third touch to the third touch, again, we would have the full complete 167 pips. Now, obviously, these moves take longer, so this can be considered a swing trade. It happens over the course of a couple of days or even a week and so forth. But if we lower this, so let me remove these. If we minimize, not minimize, but if we dumb it down and we kind of look at certain areas within the larger range, we can also see, and on the small time frames, it would even look better. We could see that we still see another range over here. And we can also see a range on this end, right? Let's just say this is the third touch here, the touch here. And there you go, 1 and 1, 2 and 2. And the third touch right here, right to the top, the third touch right there. And bam, it goes right above, right? So not only did it complete the range within this range, the larger range, it followed and respected the moves equally. And I could see another area right here. You can also see here, again, this is the 1 hour time frame. So if you lower it down to the 50-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, you will see even more ranges. And because again, the market consolidates a good percentage, 3/4 of the time that you see price movement, right? So, and for that reason, I would say simply put, I do have the 50-minute EMA here. And again, I am going to explain in another video. You can definitely join our group. So free group right now for a limited time. And what we see here is, again, the moves happen over and over and over again. And I can scroll through different settings here. Again, there's consolidation. Whenever there's a breakout, one way or the other, there is ranging going on, right? So the market is consolidating over the course of a few days, a day, even on the 50-minute time frame. We can definitely catch this lower time frames for 20, 25, 30, 40 pips. And you guys will see the same moves happening again and again. That's all for now. We will catch you guys in another video.